some of the studies that we have show that the far infrared can trigger the repair, the physical repair of a damaged nerve. Now, one of the studies that we have actually refers to the sciatic nerve of a rat was physically cut and severed. And when exposed to far infrared, that nerve repaired. So we are looking at physical repair of a damaged nerve. But also, we know from a lot of the research that we have that far infrared will help repair blood vessels. So we know, again, a lot of the toxins are also damaging the blood vessels. And many studies in the heart disease section on far infrared, you'll see, shows that the far infrared helps repair the blood vessels. And of course, if we can repair the blood vessels, that means we can start supplying more blood, more oxygen, more nutrients to the nerves, which means that they can repair and start functioning. So of course, ultimately, we're restoring function of the nerves and the nervous system, okay? And we're restoring function of the nerves by restoring blood supply to the nerves and also clearing a backlog of toxins that may be disrupting the nervous system function. So, as I said, in terms of health, people don't really talk very much about the nervous system, and for me it's really crucial because ultimately it's the nervous system that's controlling the function of the body, sending the messages to all the systems so that the body's systems and organs can function. Yeah? So you could say it's really important to think about the control system for the body and for the organs and for the elimination systems. You know, if the communication system doesn't work, if we can't send messages to the systems so that they work properly, then of course nothing's going to, the whole body will not function properly. So you could say what we're doing here is looking at the body's operating system, and we're restoring function of the operating system. How essential is that? So what people are not talking about that, it's absolutely essential, absolutely crucial to repairing the body and to recovering from any kind of disease or illness. We need the systems functioning, and the far infrared helps repair and restore function of the operating system in the form of the nervous system.